sleeping with my socks on tonight.
Life is a gas when you live with a crazy man like John.
I'm sleeping with my socks.
Fergalicious definition, make them boys go loco. Fergalicious. It's socks, so delicious. I put them boys on socks, so delicious. They want a slice of what I got. Fergalicious. Hold up. Check it out. Baby, baby, baby.
Crazy.
Baby, baby, baby.
Crazy.
Baby, baby, baby.
John.
Baby, baby, baby.
Hit him, Berkey.
Fergalicious. Check it out.
You tricked me. There's nothing in this present.
You promised me you wouldn't peek. That's what you get for peeking.
Well, thanks for nothing.
Garfield, all you do is sleep. Sleep and sleep and sleep and sleep. Know what I call someone like that?
Frisky?
All you do is sleep. Sleep and 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 sleep. Know what I call someone like that?
Frisky? 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 You know, Odie, the secret to looking good is to accessorize.
Fashion baby, work it, move that bitch crazy. More fashion baby, work it, I'm a free bitch, baby. I want your love. I wanna be friends. Je donne amour. I don't wanna be friends. I wanna be friends. What you want? I want your love and I want your revenge. You
Garfield, wake up! I've made a decision that could alter the course of my entire life. I've decided to grow a mustache.
I suppose I could blame this on Monday.
Garfield, wake up! Garfield, wake up! I've made a decision that could alter the course of my entire life. I've decided to grow a mustache. 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 Garfield mustache.
These are the days when you wish your bed was already made. It's just another manic Monday. Wish you were Sunday. That's my Monday. Monday. When I dance, they call me Macarena, and the boys they say que soy buena. They all want me, they can't have me, so they all come and dance beside me. Move with me, chant with me, and if you're good, I'll take you home with me.
Hala tu cuerpo, alegría, Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosa buena. Hala tu cuerpo, alegría, Macarena, Macarena.
In a nasty mood lately.
We'll see about that. You how to treat that cat? With great respect. I think I've hurt myself. You've been in a nasty mood this week, Garfield. Many of us occasionally feel angry for no reason at all. Psychologists call it a free-floating anxiety. Free float this? I wonder if this ever happened to Fruit. Easy, boys.
We love you, Garfield.
Darn, that was the best Eat Blue Funk I ever had going.
It's been 9 years. Where has the time gone?
You need to show your face again, Garfield. What'll it take?
If you call a toll-free number, the web series about Garfield will return.
It's an answering machine. What do I say? What do I do?
State your name and the number of sexual partners you've had.
John Arbuckle, 2. Why do you need to know this?
Don't ask questions. It's just a survey. There isn't much time. Silence is the language of cowards. Dial the number for Garfield.
Wait, so this webisode mashup series that hasn't posted videos in nearly a decade suddenly has a 1-800 number and needs the names and sexual histories of random people from the internet? Why?
Because I hate Mondays.
很逼急。
Wow! Look at that big, fat, orange pumpkin.
show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride, a whole new world, a new fantastic point of view.
Hold it down, you guys. One more sound out to you two, and you're in big trouble. Hello.
You'll say we got nothing in common, no common ground to start from, and we're falling apart. And I said, breakfast with Garfield. Said I think I would like breakfast with Garfield. And I said, well, that's can be arranged.
Everybody has a hobby. Some race cars, some collect art, and others make toast.
Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Well, way down yonder on the Chattahoochee, it gets hotter than a hoochie coochie. We laid rubber on the Georgia asphalt. We got a little crazy, but we never got caught. Down by the river on a Friday night, pyramid of cans in the pale moonlight. Talking about cars and dreaming about women. Never had a plan, just living for the minute. Yeah, way down yonder on the Chattahoochee, never knew how much that muddy water meant to me. Dum dee dum, dum dum dee dee, la 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 la. Oh, hi.
Got a little too into the hold song. I'm not tying John's shoelaces together anymore. It's too dull.
Mr. Funny Man.
I'm forging new frontiers.
Mr. Funny Man.